Hey, what's going on, guys? Kurt here, and guys, today I'm reviewing the brand new Hijax software by rutecky and Mike from Maine. And guys, this software is going to, first of all, it's going to solve a major problem that we have as affiliate marketers, and it's going to help you stop wasting traffic when doing your affiliate promotions. You see, most of us as affiliate marketers, when we promote products, we like to offer bonuses because that gives an incentive for people to buy through our links. And so what we typically do is we send people to a bonus page and kind of pre-sell the product, and then from there they'll click through to the sales page and then click the buy button and then eventually make a purchase. What happens is in each of those steps you lose some of your traffic. In fact, you lose most of your traffic through each step, and only a small percentage will actually continue to the next step. So for example, if you send people to your bonus page, a small percentage of those people will click through to the sales page, and then only a small percentage of those people will click through to the buy button, and an even smaller percentage will actually click and commit to making a purchase. So Hijax, what it allows you to do is allows you to eliminate all that by, instead of having all these multiple steps, you can send them directly to the sales page and stop wasting a lot of traffic. In fact, what's going to do, it's actually going to put a nice, clean, crisp, clear video window right over the sales page. So basically you're hijacking the sales page, hence the name Hijax. You're putting a nice, clean, crisp video window over the sales page that you can use to tell customers about your review of the product, any bonuses you're offering, etc. And it'll even pause any sales videos on the actual sales page, so there's no distractions. Your customer's attention is focused solely on you. So guys, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and dive into the members area. We're going to do a quick demo of the software. And of course, like anything else that I review, I'm offering a nice bonus package for you when you pick up this brand new Hijax software through my link. And in fact, you'll learn how to access that near at the end of this video. Okay, so let's go ahead and log into the members area. And before I continue on, I usually like to do reviews of the sales pages of products, but right now this product is being released on the 22nd of February. Right now it's the 14th. It's 8 days until the product goes live. But I wanted to get this review out to you because I think it's very important that you are aware of this product and that you can grab it at the best possible price as soon as it goes live, because it's going to change the way you do affiliate marketing. So let's go ahead and log in. And guys, just like any of Brett's softwares that he creates, it's very simple and very easy to use. There's no complication to it whatsoever. In fact, he's got a full tutorial on how to make everything work. So once you log in, what you want to do is, of course, you want to go watch the tutorials. Just make sure you watch that. It's one tutorial video. Actually, I think it's a couple tutorial videos. Let me check real quick. Okay, you got one on how to use the software. Okay. And then there's another one on how to get your YouTube video code, and I'll explain what that is in a second. And then, of course, you want to set your time zone in your back office. That's for your countdown timers, so you can set your timers to whatever time zone you live in, or whatever time zone you want to work with. And I'll explain that here in a second as well. So what you want to do is to create a page. It's very simple and very easy. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to do it and create a page for a product that I'm promoting right now, so you can see live the software in action. So we're going to go ahead and click on Pages. Oh, by the way, they've got extra bonuses here for you as well that they put together. These extras here are in addition to what I'm going to be giving you as well. These things are coming from Brett and Mike directly. Okay. So if we click on Pages, and we see I have one page right here, and I'm going to create a new page. So I click Create New. And this is going to be for a new product from Ali G and his team called Cryptomatic 360. So I'm just going to call this Cryptomatic 360 Bonus. And click on Save New. Then I'm just going to go ahead right here. I'm going to click Edit. And Page Title. This is going to be the title that shows up in the address part in the browser. So you can mess with some SEO here if you want to. I'm just going to call this Kurt's Cryptomatic 360 Bonus. Okay, your target URL, that's going to be the URL of the page you're going to jack. So it will be basically your affiliate link. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the affiliate link for Cryptomatic 360. And Cryptomatic 360 has 3 front-end options, so I'm going to grab just one of them. It shouldn't matter which one I grab, but I'm just going to go and grab that. I'm going to go back to Hijax. And I paste that in. Okay, video code. This is the code of the YouTube video that you're going to use that's going to appear on the sales page. And I've already created a video for this, so I'm just going to go over to YouTube. And I'm going to go ahead and grab the code here. And you can either grab it out of the address bar, or you can come down here to where it says share and just copy that. So I'm going to go and copy this. Now I don't need the whole thing, but with YouTube it makes you copy the whole link. So I'm going to just copy that real quick and then go back to Hijax. And then I'm going to just paste that in for now. And what I want to do is I want to get rid of everything except for the last string of letters and numbers. So everything past the trailing slash here. I want to get rid of all this. So I don't need the entire URL. Okay. Now box color and bar color. Now that's the first of all, this bar color is the color of the scarcity bar that's going to appear on the sales page if you choose to have one. Box color is the color of the video box. Okay, timer text. This is a text you want to have in front of to the left of your timer or your countdown timer that appears after the video plays. So I'm going to put hurry these, say Kurt's bonus expires in, and then countdown date. Now this product is being released on the 19th, and I'm not sure how long it's going to be live for. I'm going to go ahead and give it a 5-day window for the bonus. So let's go ahead and scroll down here. So we're doing 19, 20. So let's put the 24th. 24th. I might change that later. And countdown. I'm gonna put it to, let's say 11 p.m. Okay. All right. Now expired message. This is going to show after the timer expires. So if, for example, someone comes here after the 24th at 11 p.m., it's going to show this message. So I'm going to say, sorry, you missed it. The bonus has expired. And then a custom code, you can put any custom code, such as your tracking code from Google Analytics, etc. So that's all set up. Now all you do is go ahead and click Save and Exit. And now what we can do is we can click link, and it's going to give us a direct link to the page. And we can go ahead and then click on View to view the page. Bar only is going to give us the code only for the scarcity timer. If we want to paste that on another web page, for example, maybe in our review post or whatever we want. So let's go and click View. And as you see here, the video starts playing. I'm going to go and actually mute that out. The video is going to start playing, and then right behind it, because the product hasn't gone live yet, it's actually showing something different. But actually, let me go ahead. One thing, I think I put the wrong URL in there for some. Yeah, I think I did. Instead of putting the affiliate link, I actually put the I put the affiliate info page in there by mistake. So let me go ahead and put the affiliate link in there real quick. That's what I want. Okay, so copy that. I wonder why it looked kind of funny. Okay, go back here, fix that. All right, now that should work fine. All right, let's go and save it again. And we'll go ahead and view it again. Okay, so now I'm going, got the music that play through. Now the product hasn't gone live yet, so the actual sales page isn't up yet. They have the actual, okay, when I clicked out of it too fast, so let me go back here again, refresh. So I want you guys to see how it actually works. So what happens is the video is going to play, and then your visitor can actually either X out of the video, or once the video stops playing, like for example, we'll go ahead and go to the end of the video and just let the last few seconds play, and it will actually, once the video is done playing, it's going to remove the video, and then you'll see the actual the bar at the top up here. So give it a few seconds, and it'll go ahead, and once it hits 9:31, the video ends. It'll close the window, and as you see right here, you got this nice countdown timer. Okay, and also what it'll do is it'll actually put the video that they just watched right here. So if they want to watch it again, they can watch it again if they miss something. And it says here, hurry, Kurt's bonus expires in, and it's got the how many days, hours, minutes, and seconds until it expires. Now, that is by far to me the most simplest way to promote affiliate products is by using the software. Now, that's not only just for affiliate software. You can use it for other things. Let's say, for example, you want to share an article on Facebook, for example. Instead of putting the direct article link into Facebook, you can put it inside Hijax, and then send and post that on Facebook. And then when people go to that link, you can be there saying, "Hey guys, I really appreciate you checking out this article. Let me know what you think." Blah blah blah. You know, so it's a nice way to add extra interaction with your viewers, your followers, your subscribers, etc. Okay. So, guys, what you want to do now is go ahead and actually, we're going to go and talk about the front end product and the OTOs too. But I'm actually offering a huge bonus package with this product. And all you need to do is, there's going to be a link on this page. If you're watching this on my review post on my blog, there's going to be the buy button down below. You click on that, it's actually going to take you to a page where I'm actually using Hijax to promote Hijax. And in that video, I'm going to talk to you about the bonuses that I'm offering. And there's actually a link in that video where you can actually go directly to the bonus page and check it all out for yourself. But let's go ahead and talk about the front end product and the OTOs real quick, because just like any other product in the IM niche, Hijax is going to come with a selection of OTOs to help enhance your purchase. So first off, the front end product is of course the Hijax software, and that's going to be $27. And that's the software we just talked about, we just reviewed, which allows you to jack other websites, it allows you to create scarcity, and it allows you to save steps and basically solve a huge problem in affiliate marketing. The next is going to be Hijax Plus, which you're actually going to get the WordPress plugin that you actually can use Hijax and use your own domain on those hijack links. Okay, and you're also going to get developer rights to that, which means you can use it on any other site. I believe also on any of your customer sites, your client sites, and you're also going to get an advanced live training to get to a live training with Brett and Mike. Then the last OTO is the agency license access. Now, what Brett does in a lot of his products, he will do what's called agency access. What that means is that you will be able to sell Hijax as your own product, get your own affiliates, okay, recruit your own affiliates, and have them bring you customers as if it's your own product. This is really handy, especially for beginners who don't have their own product, don't have the authority, don't have their own product, don't have the knowledge to make one. And Brett normally will actually do a limited agency. Maybe he'll put like, say, 50 to 100 license, which means you can sell it 50 to 100 times only. Well, this you're going to get unlimited agency access. Okay, so that there is the best deal out of this whole package here. So, guys, again, go ahead and make sure you click on the button or link down below. Go and check out Hijax. By the time you're watching this, the sales page should be up, so you should be able to go over there and just grab it and check it out yourself. And also watch my video that's going to appear over the sales page, and you'll learn all about the bonuses that I'm giving you. It's over $32,000 in bonuses, guys. We're talking ebooks, video software, even promotional ad credits that you can use to promote any site around different free sites on the internet. Just watch it, get all the full details. Um, Basically, everything in the bonus package is going to help enhance your affiliate marketing. Okay, it's going to help enhance your usage of Hijax. Okay, so instead of sending you a bonus that's just a bunch of crap, you're going to be able to use those bonuses to get the most out of the Hijax software. Okay, so guys, that's Kurt. Thanks very much for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And with that, I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Talk to you soon.